Dr. Moody, how do you cure burnout? If you want three things you can do. Number one, what is define what is the thing in your life that makes your blood boil the most. Okay, write that down. Number two, think of one thing. Just make that. Like I said, I'm a simple man. Think of one thing you can do to make that better. Okay. Number three, put a deadline on it. Behavioral science research says if you put a deadline on something, it triples the chances that it will actually get done. And then I guess finally, number four, take action. Take the action that you said you were going to do in step two and do it and see what the result is. And then again, that's where you start this momentum, getting back to momentum. It's like once you see that improvement, then you're like, then I can do the next thing. So then you just start going down the list. For me, it was sleep. Like I was a horrible insomniac. I was sleeping like 2 or 3 hours a night. And so then every day was just this angry fog that I was in because I didn't get good sleep and I would make horrible decisions and I was frustrated. And so I worked really hard on getting good sleep. And then I felt better and had better nutrition. Mm-hmm. And then I felt like working out and then I was a nicer person and then I made better decisions. And so, so again, you have to, and that's different for everybody. I think that's the point. Whatever your thing is that's making, your blood boil the most, that's what you have to start with.